Although Christmas is my least favorite holiday,
God damn it!
I still enjoy the festive season. So today we're going to make an upcycled ugly sweater. For this project, we're going to use an old IKEA bedsheet, some scrap fabric, and tinsel. I start by using an existing sweater as the template to trace onto the fabric. Fold the fabric in half to ensure that both sides are symmetrical when cutting. You'll need to cut out 2 pieces, one for the front and one for the back. Repeat the steps for the sleeves, ensuring you have 2 pieces for both arms. Next, with the right sides facing each other, line up your sleeves to the arms of the front panel and sew them in place. This is where we take a pause because I gotta get back to work. I'm doing this on my lunch break, which means that we're gonna have to fast forward and come back to this later on this evening. Now, where was I? Right, we're stitching these in place. Once they're attached, with the right sides facing each other, line up the sleeves to the arms of the back panel and sew them in place. From there, we then sewed the sides together. With the right sides facing each other, starting from the armpit, sew down the length of the arm, and then starting back at the armpit, sew down the sides of the sweater. Adjust the size of the neck hole by cutting it to match the neck hole on your existing sweater, but make sure not to cut the hole too large. I then cut out a strip that's 3 inches wide for the collar and 4 inches wide for the arm cuffs and waistband. The length will depend on how big the openings are on your sweater. With the right sides facing each other, fold each cuff so that the raw edges of the short ends are facing each other and sew those in place. Next, fold the cuffs in half so that the right sides are now facing out. Line up the raw edges to the waist, wrist, and collar and sew them in place. Now that that's completed, fun part begins. Using a glue gun, I attached the tinsel layer by layer onto the sweater. I cut each piece to fit the front of the sweater, then follow that with the back and then down each of the arms. Fun fact, tinsel was first originally made from shredded silver. After the use of silver, lead foil became a popular material, but was soon banned due to the risk of lead poisoning.